Hey everyone, my name is Brianna with WTI, and this is the low long halter high neck tank top. I have loved this trend and I finally got this high neck tank top. I love how it looks. Here I have it with some jeans. It's got this great rib texture and it is super stretchy. And it's also not very see-through, which is nice. Usually these white tanks are totally see-through. This one I really like. I can also wear it with a lot of different outfits. Here it is with a skirt, and the back of it you can see is nice and high. This is a flattering cut for any body shape. And how about some high-waisted pants? It looks great with high-waisted pants too, so it tucks in really well to anything you have, and you can add a jacket and you can dress it up for the office. So it's such a versatile top. I am so happy with it, so I highly recommend you checking out this high neck tank top. I think you're gonna love it just as much as I do, but that's just my point of view.